journey actually almost 6 to 7
This particular
change was
once you complete that, we'll
I'm
discuss
finding the
about
result immediately.
because at that time
Very nice.
Is it right or I'm feeling like that?
It's very effective. These procedures are extremely well packaged, and
Okay.
more than anything else, the diagnostics is very solid. It's the perfect things that you need at any point in time.
Yes, I heard
So
lots of
since
things
it's
in
so
diagnostics.
relevant, yeah. Are you also doing change work on other people?
Yes.
Yeah. So the benefit is 5x when you also do it on other people and not just one person. So you complete your ATC as well as work on other people's ATC. So when you do it both ways, it's very effective.
Yeah, actually, I am out of my anger. Previously, it was not like that. And
Your daughter?
yes,
Are you
she's
happy
in
about
upper
that?
prodigy. Actually, when she talks something naughty or mischievous, I used to get like jumped anger. But yesterday night after my change work and today morning, I did not get that. Do we find such immediate
not
change?
able to do it.
That's how it is.
Really, thank you very much. Superb. Actually, I found it like immediate change. I'm very happy for that. I thought it
It's
is.
just the beginning.
Yeah.
Because now that this has happened, imagine how much more free time you'll have, more freedom, more mind space, better health, better vitality, more mind space to focus on all of the things that you want to, and that's the whole intention, right? So the completeness of your ATC enables you to get the next league of life experiences, gather the next league of life opportunities.
Anything that you want.
So in like 3 to 6 months from now, you'll be ready for the next level of capability development. That's the intention. So that's like accelerated personal evolution, right? It just opens up possibilities that instead of doing it after many years, it happens faster because you are evolving proactively ahead of time.
So time compression, in what time can we observe that?
You just gave me an example.
So this is also a part of.
It's part of it, yeah.
Okay.
So
So
3
I'm
to 6
thinking
months
of only
from
my
now,
business.
all of it. So like now that you've evolved, when you go back there, you'll find yourself seeing things differently, understanding things differently, having different ideas, being able to execute differently. Your ability to identify what's wrong, what needs your attention, your intuition around all of that, everything will improve. So that with time will continue to give you better and better results. So